Welcome to Introduction of Python Programming. What is computer programming language? We use language to share our ideas with others, as well as programming language used to give instruction to computers. There are many programming languages. As examples: Java, C#, Ruby, C++, Python. Python. Why Python is important than others? Python is easy to use, powerful, and versatile, making it a great choice for beginners and expert alike. We are going to learn Python from beginner level to expert level. So we shall learn Python. Now you install Python to your computer. Go to the www.python.org. This is the official home page of the Python programming language. Now let's download Python. Click the Download tab. You can choose your operating system, Windows or Mac, and download any suitable one as you like. I download Python 9.3.6. Then install the setup file to your computer. In next video we learn how write a low-world program and variable assignment methods. Have good dreams until the next video. Bye bye.